Every day the news tells you what to feel about a war, almost never what is actually happening. Today, I will show you how to build your own AI war room, a workflow that pulls open public information, strips the spin, and gives you a clean, sourced picture. This is open source intelligence for normal people, and we will do it responsibly. Public sources only, no targeting, nothing operational, just understanding. 3 tools: Perplexity for live, cited search, Claude for synthesis and bias checking, and a simple doc to hold your running brief. Let us build it. Step 1. The source sweep. In Perplexity, your prompt is a frame, not a question. Try this. Summarize verified developments in this conflict over the last 7 days. Only include claims with named sources. For each one, label the source's likely bias. State media, Western outlet, NGO, or analyst. Flag anything reported by only one side. That single prompt forces sourcing and surfaces the spin instead of hiding it. Step 2. The bias pass. Take that output into Claude and say, separate confirmed facts from contested claims. Build a table, claim, who says it, who disputes it, confidence level. Then tell me what I still do not know. That last line is the magic. You want the gaps, not false certainty. Step 3. The analyst lens. Ask Claude to wear 3 hats. Explain how a defense analyst, a humanitarian observer, and a regional historian would each read this week differently. Suddenly you see the same facts through 3 trained perspectives instead of one outraged headline. Step 4. The standing brief. Drop it all in a doc, and every few days rerun the sweep with, what changed since this date? You now have a living sourced understanding most people will never have. 1 word on responsibility. This is for comprehension, not for war. Public reporting only. We do not track individuals. We treat human suffering as real, not as content. Used that way, AI turns you from a passive headline consumer into someone who actually understands the world.